We are globetrotting through retirement on a 10-day trip to Ireland. And in this video, we're going to show you some fast and easy tips to navigate Dublin Airport and find your public transportation to your final destination. For us, it's Ennis. Dublin is the largest airport in Ireland, but you won't find it as daunting as JFK, DFW, or Atlanta. It's pretty easy to navigate. After clearing customs, we enter the arriving passenger area, noticing a W.H. Smith's and a couple of little coffee shops. There's also a currency exchange ATM. But here's a tip. Get euros before traveling to Ireland. We found better rates and lower service charges in Tampa before our trip. We had just missed the 6 a.m. bus, but we were ready to catch the next one at 8 a.m. We discovered that our bus to Ennis was leaving in an hour, and there are video displays throughout the airport, and we confirmed it by looking on the Citylink website.
So we're going to take the 712.
Tip number 2, try to confirm everything with a manager at the bus zone, since traffic and maintenance issues can alter the schedule. From there, we exit the airport, walk through another building with more seating, restrooms, and concessions until we arrive at the designated bus zone or coach park. Our route is the 712 service to Limerick, Ennis, and Castlebar. Electronic signs on the bus will tell you that you're at the right place.
The first stop is County Limerick.
The driver helps with luggage and is separated by your destination. Passengers with advanced reservations are the first to board, and another tip is if you're confident arriving on time, go ahead and buy a reserved seat. It's cheaper and you're guaranteed a seat. We are lucky that the bus wasn't full. Our tickets were 32 euros a piece. If you're enjoying these videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. We begin our 3-hour journey seeing the beautiful countryside, going south on the M50, then southwest on the M7 to Limerick and Ennis. Along the way, vast farmlands come into view, and we know we're in Ireland when we pass a 30,000-liter Guinness tanker. It's a 2-hour drive to Limerick, Ireland's third largest city. It's known as the Treaty City, founded by the Vikings in 922. Our first passengers leave the bus, and passing over the River Shannon, we are now on our way to Ennis, just an hour away. Our Ennis stop is at Friars Walk bus stop, just steps from the main street and our accommodations for the night, the Queen's Hotel. You can see that video and many more about Ireland on our Rick Steves Heart of Ireland playlist. Our adventures continue as we are globetrotting through retirement.